Hi, I am Neil Shah, and this is my project Vaultstream, a privacy-first invoice factoring protocol built with IExec confidential computing on Arbitrium. So here's the problem. Small and medium businesses have trillions of dollars locked up in unpaid invoices. They need immediate cash flow. But traditional DeFi can't help them because the invoices contain extremely sensitive data like client name, payment histories, discount rates, business relationships, and if this data leaks on the public blockchain, it could destroy competitive advantage and business relationships. So Vaultstream solves this problem by using IExec's Intel SGX trusted execution environment to process invoices completely privately. For this demo, we are going to be using JSON files to simulate invoice data. In production, we'll integrate it directly with an accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, or enterprise ERPs to pull real invoice data through secure APIs. Let me show you how it works. This is our Vaultstream interface. Now we will here upload the JSON file. As you can see, this is a test invoice having a payout of, having a invoice of $10,000 for Tesla company. We will upload that. So what it is doing here, it is encrypting the invoice first in an IPFS, storing it securely using the data protector SDK and 256 encryption, and only the TEE can decrypt it. Later, the TEE decrypts it in the TEE visualization, as we saw that the TEE performed remote attestation to prove that it's running genuine on Intel SGX hardware and unmodified code. This guarantees the privacy of the invoice data while still providing verifiable computation. And this computation happens in a hardware isolated secure enclave. And the SGSX chip ensures that not even the cloud provider or the node operator can peek inside. So after analysis, we see that the TEE calculates a risk adjusted payout. In this case, it is 80% of the invoice value, which is $9,800. Let's try to get the payout. Confirm. And there we go. Transaction confirmed. So as you can see, the smart contract has released $9,800 worth of ETH from the liquidity pool directly to my wallet. And the entire process took less than 15 seconds thanks to Arbitrium's low fees and transaction cost. And the invoice owner gets immediate liquidity. The liquidity provider earns yield, and most importantly, no sensitive business data was ever exposed on change. If you pay attention, we did not even see the client name, only the payout was visible. Also, a smart contract is deployed on this address, as you can see on RBScan. So this is our project, and Vaultstream provides a real-world solution where the real-world assets like invoices can finally enter DeFi without sacrificing privacy. And we are bringing confidential computing to the 3.5 trillion invoice factoring market. This is built for IExec Hackathon 2026. Thank you for watching. And remember that finally DeFi for invoices without exposing business secrets is here. Thank you.